Hi everyone, it's Mark from Brave Auto. Today we're in a 1990 Nissan Skyline R32 GTR. This has been bought out of auction for a customer in the US, and we've washed it, taken photos of it, done a leak down test, and just now taking it for a test drive just to make sure everything's right on it. And I'll start her up. Just close the door. Okay, this one's got 110,000 Ks on it. It's actually a very clean car. The body works really straight. You might see one of the video. I did a video of the body as well and put it up on the net, so you may see that on there. Anyway, we'll go for a drive, make sure everything's right with it. Just wait for it to get up to temperature. It's about a quarter at the moment. The R32 GTRs, or the early models of them, are really popular now for the US, and prices on them have gone through the roof. It's very hard to find clean ones. A lot of them have rust around the rear wheel arches, the lower rear section of the boot trunk, or what you want to call it, and they also suffer that the jacking points underneath them are very soft, and they get dented and damaged over the years, and they rust pretty badly in there as well. So yeah, what else to say? The aircon's not working in this one for some reason. It's actually working, it's probably got no gas, so I can hear it engaging when I turn it on and off anyway. And it's 28 degrees today, so lovely hot. Drives really nice for an old girl. Oh, yesterday I test drove a R34 GTR, and they are so smooth, whereas this feels a bit more raw and, I don't know, it feels a bit more racier to me. I do like the body style of the R34s, but I think if I was going to own a GTR, it would have to be an R32, I think. There's no suspension noise. Gearbox is fine. It's not floppy. It's really nice to engage. Clutch feels good as well. With your 32s and your 33, well, actually all your GTRs, it's really important to test drive them. You know, if there's a problem with the diffs, gearboxes in these, it can be, when they're overseas, it can be super expensive. Whereas, at least while it's still in Japan, you can either obtain a second-hand box and put it in the boot, or if you want, we can put it back through the auction for you. So it's really, really important. Road here is a little bit rough, but give you a bit of an idea. And it's boosting as it should. Sorry about that. Well, if you're going to test drive them, you might as well make sure everything's working right. Handle like they're on rails, these things. All feel nice. It's quite funny, you drive around Japan in one of these, you actually get a lot of people look at you and stare at you. You know, drive one of the later ones and no one's really interested. I guess I don't see the old ones as much as I used to. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys. Just back in the GTR, I could smell, when I got out of the car, I could smell coolant. The temperature in the car didn't go up or anything like that. And what I've done is I just pressurized the system, and you can see there's a bit there on the ground, and it's leaking around this section here. Okay, now I've ran the pressure up quite a lot, not too much obviously, and this is where it's leaking. So just under normal driving, it's not pouring out or anything like that, but it's something you're going to have to look at doing, so at least you know anyway. And as I said, this is the reason why we test drive the vehicles. There'd be nothing worse than you picking up this car at the port and driving it, I don't know, a few thousand Ks and cooking it. So anyway, thank you, bye bye.